People who don't need wheelchairs take being able to leave the house, go to work and socialise with friends for granted, but wheelchair users can't do these things if they don't have the right equipment. During the course of the committee inquiry, we did hear some positive comments about wheelchair services, but it's clear that there are still many problems in many areas, including long waiting times, particularly in North Wales. We also heard that users with complex needs, including children, can suffer the longest waits. The committee hopes that the recommendations contained in this report will ensure that wheelchair users in Wales get the services that they deserve. It's clear that wheelchair users should be able to access a high quality and timely service regardless of age and no matter where they live in Wales.